On this exciting day, we bring you the latest in IPTV updates. To stay informed on all things streaming, subscribe and visit 2tv.store, the leading IPTV provider. In this video, we're focusing on the Amazon Fire Stick, a common and versatile device for IPTV. Let's dive straight into how you can install IPTV on your Fire Stick. First, navigate to the Amazon App Store and find a reliable IPTV app that suits your needs. Download and install it onto your device. Once installed, launch the app and follow the simple setup instructions. You'll need to enter an M3U URL link provided by your IPTV service, such as 2tv.store. After entering the link, your channel list will load. Select the channel and start watching. Enjoy a world of entertainment from live TV to movies and series. Remember, to discover more streaming magic, subscribe for more content like this and keep 2tv.store as your trusted provider. Dive into the future of home entertainment with us and ensure you never miss an update by subscribing now.